Giving tree. Once there was a tree, and she loves a little boy. Every day the boy would come and he would gather her leaves and make them into crowns and play king of the forest. He would climb up her trunk and swing from her branches and eat apples. And they would play hide and go seek. And when he was tired, he would sleep. He would sleep in her shade. And the boy loves the tree very much. And the tree was happy. But time went by, and the boy grew old. Grew older, and the tree was often alone. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy. I am too big to climb and play," said the boy. "I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money." "I'm sorry," said the tree, "but I have no money. I have only leaves and apple. Take my apple, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy." And so the boy climbed up the tree and gathered he apples and carried them away, and the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. And then one day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. And she said, "Come, boy, climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and be happy. I am too busy to climb trees," said the boy. "I want a house to keep me warm," he said.